Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. So, today from Standard 7 English Medium, chapter number 6. What is the chapter name? Verbs. Present tense. Verbs, present tense. I have discussed about the present tense. Now comes to the present continuous tense. This tense also I discussed about it. Now given the more information about it. The present continuous tense is used where to refer to a continuing action. She is talking to her teacher. She is what? Talking. She is talking to her teacher. So the action of talking is continuing. The action of talking is continuing with whom? With her teacher. I am writing a letter. So writing is continuing process when the sentence is written. The writing is continuing process. Then this tense, present continuous tense, to refer to a definite future actions or event. Means talking about what? Future, definite future. Just as he is going out of town tomorrow. See, is going. These words, he is going out of town, is going. So, showing that it's a present continuous, but showing the action of future tense, is going out. Bijan and Sheila are going for summer camp in Kathmandu. So it's not the action has been taken in the same time while talking, but talking about what? Talking about a future event, future action. Now the third point is to refer to a future plan also. This tense is used. Aruna is planning to buy a gift for her mother. Is planning means showing the future plan. Showing the what? Future plan. He is not going to the gift shop and buying the gift, but Aruna is planning to buy a gift. And our school is hosting the national sports meet next month. Showing the future plan. Hosting, but not now. National Sport Day. Where? In the next month. Means showing the future plan also. Here given the exercise. What we do in this exercise, complete the following sentences with the present continuous forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Mention the role played by each sentences. Sentence 1 has been done for you. Just like this. The teachers, the word is plural, so here are and the verb with the ing form is formed. Are expecting. But what we do here, mention the role of the sentence was their students to do their best in the examination. So this is the prediction of a sentence. Prediction. We are called what? The prediction. Now see the second. Here given the word practice. Which word given? Practice. Practice is the verb. So here given the name of the Dinesh. So Dinesh, then right was is. Dinesh is practicing. Dinesh is practicing. What? Is practicing. And hard for his swimming competition. Dinesh is practicing hard for his swimming competition. Swimming competition. That Dinesh is practice. What he is doing? Dinesh is practicing. Practicing for what? Swimming competition. So he is practicing now. But showing he is not taking the competition just now. Showing the future event. So this is called future action. What? Future action. future action. Mention the role of in the second is future action. Now the third, we. Then in the third, we is given, so are, and move is given. So moving, verb with ing, are moving. We are moving to the new house next week. What? We are moving out the next weeks. This is the future plan. Now comes to the third, moving. Moving is a definite future action. What? Definite future action. Definite future action. This third one. Okay. Next week. That is why. Future action. Now comes to number 4. My father blank the principal tomorrow. My father is meeting. My father is meeting the principal tomorrow. This is the same definite future action. Not meet today, but meeting tomorrow. So future action is done. Now comes to number 5. I is given in the 5th. So what the answer is? I am learning is the present continuous form. I am learning Spanish now. Now here given the word now means at the time of speaking this sentence is formed. So I am learning Spanish. So this role of the sentence is continuing action. What? Continuing action. Continuing action is the role of the sentence. Now number 6. Mr. Mukherjee blank English to our class. So Mr. Mukherjee is teaching. Mr. Mukherjee is teaching. So teaching English to our class means this action is also continuing. So continuing. Teaching is continuous to the class. So continuing action of the sentence is the role. Then number 7. She is talking. She is talking. Here given the word now. She is talking to her mother. So this is the same just as the 5th and 6th one. Continuing action. Now number 8. New opportunities. New opportunities. Opportunities are plural words. So we form the to be form are. Then the word is wait. So what is wait? Then the ing form waiting. Okay. Are waiting. New opportunities are waiting for those who worked hard. Those who worked hard. Those who worked hard. Those for that. Okay. Those people for that. This is the opportunity. New opportunity. So this is the prediction. Prediction. Okay. This is the prediction. This role of an action. Now here is also the exercise. But which tense is mentioned? We fill this blank. Which tense? So it's a present tense and present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. We fill this blank. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Now see the first blank. Seema blank comics. Seema blank comics. So here Seema is a girl. So what she does? Seema reads. Seema reads. Not only today but also her reading practice is going further. So it's a simple present tense verb we use in the first blank. Seema reads comics. Now comes to number 2. Watch is given. We blank the news right. News right and the word is given now. So now describe the continuous action. So we then write in the second blank are. And what is the verb given? Watch. So the answer is are watching. Are watching. We are watching the news right now. Now comes to number 3. What? Listen. Deepali blank sing in the bathroom. Sing where? In the bathrooms. This action is also continuing. So Deepali then write is and singing. Is singing. Is singing. What she is doing? Singing. Is singing in the bathroom. Comes to number 4. We blank help our parents with household chores. We blank help our parents with household chores. Means not we do just now, but in the future we also do, and past we also do. So it's a present form. So we only write help the same as in the fourth one. Now comes to number 5. It's 7 a.m. and my brother blank breakfast for me. So see, in the 7 a.m. in the morning until now, his brother is doing what? Making what? Breakfast. So here write what? Is making. Is making is the answer. Correct answer is making breakfast for me. Now comes to number 6. We blank clean our classroom regularly. Regularly verb shows that is a present form. Simple present tense. Okay. So we then write what? Only clean. Regularly. Not continuing but regularly. Today, tomorrow, every day. Then number 7. In number 7. I blank walk towards the park right now. Just as the second one, right now. It's a continuing process. So here what we use in the first blank. In the first blank 7. We then here given I. So use am and walk. ing means I am walking in the same. Then where blank you. You is given. So where blank you. To be form. Which to be form? Is mr. Is mr we use. So we use only are. Where are. Here you is given. So in this blank only are is used. Where are you? Then in the next page 8 number. My sister blank tennis usually, but right now she blank football. In this sentence there are two verbs combined used. Here the word is used usually. Usually verb shows that indicates what? Indicate the simple present tense. So in the first blank you write the word plays. My sister plays tennis usually. But right now this sentence shows that right now she is playing. In the second sentence she is playing football. In the 9th, I blank every day. Every day verb is shows that this is the simple present tense forms. So in the first blank write only swim. I swim every day. But today I blank to blank. But today, talk about today. So here write what? I wanted. I wanted to sleep. It's an infinitive use. I wanted. Swim, wanted and sleep. Why wanted? Because it's showing here the infinitive. That is why write wanted to sleep. Okay. So here are the exercise of simple present tense and simple present continuous tense. I hope you understand about these tenses. Thank you.